How to buy BOSS token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is referral codes down in the description. You can get free money to was on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use goes below. Fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the next account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 10 hours ago and increased by 600% in the last 24 hours. So this token trending number 9 on Solana section. To be able to buy this token, it is and simple. Just copy the token address from here. This token address is under the Solana network. Now open your wallet. For that, I will use the Phantom wallet. Click on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana in your wallet. Click here and paste the token address. So this is our token. Click on it and here type how much you want to buy. As you can see, so here we'll be able to see how much you receive. Now after that, click select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here and click on swap, and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face an issue, go back to this page and switch the slippage from here or custom it, because the most of issues came from the slippage, and after that you can be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy a BOSS token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.